going to be showing you how you can basically go from this to that. Amazing, right? So if that looks like something that you might be interested in, then definitely do keep on watching. So hey loves, and welcome back again to my channel. If you guys know me, you know that I'm obsessed with lighting. And hi, I'm Kelechi Mgbemena, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways you can play around with your lighting to get like a different scene or a different mood, just to spice up your content a bit if you're someone who is looking for new ideas, fresh ideas, and new ways to spice up your content and your filming environment. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my tips and tricks and hacks and packs. Hey! I'm going to be sharing you guys some of my tips and tricks. If you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Yeah, let's get started. So currently I'm filming with my normal filming setup, and that is like I have a ring light, two softboxes, and an LED panel. But now I want to change the mood from like this bright, airy, morning vibe to something more dim, something more moody, something more intimate. And I'm going to be playing around with lighting. And lighting is everything, guys. I'm going to preach this from now to tomorrow. Lighting is everything. This is one vibe you can go with. If you guys want to know how I create my entire setup, what my setup entails, what I have, how this behind the scenes, basically, I'll have a video linked up here. So do check that out as well if you're interested. But yeah, this is one thing you can do. However, if you want to change up the mood, what you can do is definitely play around with lighting. The lighting is everything. Your light tells a story. So what I'm going to do now is to just turn off some of my lights so that way we can dim the experience. I'm going to turn off my softboxes. Let's just see how we can play around with this. We're just having fun. Better. I'm going to dim my ring light a little bit just so we can get like a mood going on. Let's see what it looks like for the lights. Dim down a bit. So you can do with just your LED panel and your ring light, and I kind of like this vibe. The background is way brighter than me, and I feel like it's just a very calming mood. It's something I would do if I'm trying to have like a very serious sit down talk session with you guys, because I feel like the lights are out. It's not as aggressive as it was at the beginning, and low-key, like, I actually really like it. What are your thoughts? What do you guys think? Should I start recording like this? But I feel like this would not be nice for beauty tutorial. See the difference? Like, it's a lot serious. Like, it's a lot aggressive. Like, hey, I'm here, look at me. But turning it down, it looks a bit more calming and very easygoing. I actually like this, to be honest with you. I think I might just be filming like this. But this is one way you can go about it if you want your background to stand out more than you. Focus more on lighting the background and less on you. I just have a ring light and an LED panel. You can have a ring light and a softbox, or you can even have just a ring light but make the background brighter than you. That way the background just looks illuminated, and that is one mood you can set. However, a mood I've been loving lately is just like I don't know, like, it's a very intimate, it's more intimate than this. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that. I'm going to just switch this up right now. What I'm going to do now is just to turn off all of my backlights, but then introduce new lights to it in a way that I do have Christmas lights, but because of my backlights, they're kind of very intense, so it's overshadowing the Christmas lights. By the time I turn off my backlights, everything is going to pop even more. The Christmas lights are going to pop even more. Again, if you guys want to know my setup, I will have the link over here. But let me just go ahead to turn it off so we can see the kind of mood it creates. Right there. Okay. Look at that. Just look at that instant change. Like, everything behind me is just pushing forward, like it's coming through. This is a mood. This is definitely a mood, but we're not done yet. I feel like we can definitely play around with, I have another light behind me. I feel like I can definitely play around with that light. But then the twist is I want to reintroduce a colored light to kind of add a little bit of ambience to it and a little bit of theme to it, because I'm a pink girl. So I want to see how I can revamp and rejuice this background to kind of look a little bit more pinky and more girly and kind of more intimate. Okay, Okay, so now I have this LED panel. I'm trying to bend down. I have this LED light that I'll leave it in the, I'll leave the link in the description box. I have this LED light that I use in illuminating this, my mirror area right here. Now the cool thing about it is that it has like a filter right here. Let me just take this off right there. Now there are lots of lights that kind of give off, okay, that kind of reduces intensity. Let me get the filter. The cool thing about it, like I was saying, is that it has a filter right here. Now this is a red filter. By the time I put this on, it looks pink. I'm gonna put that on. Let me show you guys again. This is a red filter. This is a filter and it's the clear. I'm gonna use this red one over this. This is the Yongnuo YN216 light, and I use this as one of my backlights. So we have that. Can you guys see? It's like pink. I'm gonna put this light behind me just to create like that pink mood, so you can have that going on right there. Can we see that? I'm going to increase the intensity as well, so it's brighter than it is now. And there we go. So this is what we have going on right now, and honestly, I think I'm going to start filming some of my content like this. Let me know what kind of content I'll be filming like this. Like, should we do like a heart-to-heart content sort of thing going on? What am I saying? We can do like a get to know me with this vibe. I'm loving it. I feel like this is another character. This is another personality. This is another scene entirely. It's like a different environment. Maybe even change out one or two things. Maybe remove that YouTube stuff. So this is what it looks like now. I'm absolutely loving it, but I feel like there's something missing, and I'm guessing that has to do with my room lighting. The lightings are still on. The lighting is still on up there, so it's adding more light to the room. I want it to be darker and a bit more intimate. This is something you can definitely try. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off everything so we can get like that mood. So this is what I'm looking like right now, and honestly, I really do love it. I love the background. I feel like I'm going to have this for like, I'm going to use this maybe for like a get ready with me. Not really get ready with me, like, yeah, maybe get ready with me, to talk to me, get to know me kind of vibe. Maybe play like some cool background soothing music and just vibe with it. I'm loving it. This is a total vibe. The pink goes with my theme. I think that color right there is off, the white one, but I'm loving it still. Let me know what your thoughts are with me creating a different mood entirely using what I already have. My advice for you is to play around with what you have. You really don't know what you have until you use it and utilize it as much as you can. This is me just playing around with what I have, and I absolutely love it. These are ideas you can use. Christmas lights are always a yes for me when filming beauty tutorials or beauty videos or videos in general. They just add a little bit of mood to the scene. Definitely invest in Christmas lights. They are very inexpensive, like 5K, 3K thereabouts, or 7K thereabouts, depending on where I'm buying it from. Yeah, this is what my setup looks like now that I'm trying to create another scene. So leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what your thoughts are with this video. Would you guys like to try out this mood thingy? Would you guys like to try out this kind of set? And let me know which one was your favorite. The first one that was like more of a morning vibe, or this one that is more of like a night vibe. Let me know down in the comment section which one you guys prefer, and I'll be more than happy to interact with you guys and have fun with you guys as well. So before you leave, make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos on my filming setup and how I create my set and the equipment that I'm using right now. Everything will still be in the description box, but do check out this video as well because it's very detailed and it's very informational, and it will help you in elevating your video content. God, I'm loving this. Bruv, I need to make a video with this like right now, right now. So yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video, but before you leave, make sure you stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye guys.